Hey beautiful people, welcome back again. We are going to be aligning the lids. Yeah, I just decided to do it like upside down, and sorry guys that my phone is like this. I'm supposed to put it on horizontal, okay, but we are going to manage it this way because I want to also post it on my page. Okay, so first of all, I'm using my brown pencil to align my lids. Okay, I'm just going to do a lip gloss, okay, with some beautiful colors. So continue watching. I said take you along. Okay, so in case you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You better smash the red button. So I'm going to be using these two colors, one nude and the other one is a peach color. So we're going to mix these two colors. First of all, I will go with the peach. Okay, after the peach, then we go with the nude. Okay, so the nude will be on top while the peach will be down of the lips. So that is what I'm doing right now. Okay, keep watching. Thank you for coming. Blend it. I'm gonna use my brush to blend it out. Okay, so I'm blending the brown lip liner and lipstick together just to blend it together. Okay, you can at the same time tap. Instead of you to tap it, pat, you just use your pencil, your brush to brush it out. Okay, then we are going for the lip gloss. Okay, so because you know these days all makeup is all about lip gloss. I'm not a lip gloss type, but it's okay, it's fun, it's cute. So I'm using my Kiko lip gloss. Okay, it's just a double touch or so. Yeah, it's a double touch from Kiko. One side is to fix, one side is to apply your lipstick. Okay, so I'm using the fixing lip gloss. I'm gonna use it to fix the two colors that I've used, that I blend together with the hard pencil lip liner. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my primer, and this primer is from Kiko. In case you are oily skin type, please don't use this don't just use only this primer alone, because it won't fix it the way it's supposed to be. Why am I saying that? Because if you have much oil, like you are oily skin girls like BBG, it's better you go for other primer. Okay, so I'm gonna blend my concealer on top of my upper crease, my eyelid, all together. Okay, so go for a good primer that will fix it, because this one is not that, it's just a natural one, if I should say. Yeah, if I should say just natural one. So I'm gonna blend it a little bit, like applying your concealer before your eyeshadow is very nice if you fix it. So we are going for nude. I'm gonna use my tan. You can use tan, nude, beige, and I want to fix it. Okay, so I'm using my tan color to blend, to fix the concealer. Then after, we're going for this amber color. Just quick makeup, like the quickest makeup ever. Very quick, short, and it's glamorous. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do now is just for us to blend it out very well. Amber color is all about fall season. You guys know we are in fall season, so we are going to be using this amber. We're supposed to type a little bit of yellow, other color to it, but we just decide to go for this one color. One color is okay. Okay, so make sure you blend it out. Follow this step, you will surely get your makeup perfect. If you follow the way that I do my makeup with patience, your makeup will be like super bomb. Okay, so as I'm cooking, I'm editing my video. You see the struggle? So that was it. Just blend it out very well. And yeah, kind of my waterline, guys. I'm going to be using purple. You can use green, like the green represents some leaf on top of the tree. We are in fall season, okay, as I said before, but I'm just using purple to give me that a little bit, like the eye is gonna be so salty. You guys know I love something that is salty, so I'm using my brown to blend down of my waterline. Okay, you can use brown, you can use black, any color you wish to, you are free to use. You can even use, I don't know. So that is, you can even use red. Okay, so it's just all about fall season. So that is it. So continue with it, and yeah, that is it. To be using my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my eyeliner to align it. Okay, using your eyeliner to align it, just to give it another definition, just to make it more pronounced. And yeah, so keep on watching, guys, and as you watch, don't forget to like and follow my page, and please subscribe and smash the like button. Like is free, give it a big like. Okay, thank you, and I will appreciate that if you can smash the like and follow, like and subscribe to my page and my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you as you do that. Foundation, you guys already know my favorite foundation this season, so I'm using my Ezekiel right away, because my Ezekiel is just the 10. Okay, so you can use any foundation you have, your Huda Beauty, your Dior, anyone you feel like using. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one to blend it out. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and at the same time keep on watching the video. Okay, I appreciate your presence. Thanks. I'm using my brush, my fluffy brush, to blend it before I will use my beauty blender to blend it out. Thank you for watching. A liquid contouring, but at the same time I'm going to still use the liquid one. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm setting it a bit of the rest of camera, like the contouring. I blend it off camera, a little bit on top of my head, a little bit on the T-zone, just to give it a little bit bronze. Okay, so that is it. I just want to get rid of that liquid one, and at the same time we'll still use the powder one. So I'm using my normal setting powder, and this is my setting powder. I have it on my YouTube how I did it, in case you want to know how to do your banana powder, which is your setting powder. Just visit down the channel, is there. Okay, so that is it. So, and another thing again, guys, don't forget to always blend your makeup. Like the beauty of every makeup is blending. Be patient when you are blending. Have patience, take your time, listen to music, be play music, and at the same time bring out your makeup and start doing it. Put any video of your choice. If it's the one of Bianca to do makeup, put it there and start doing your makeup with patience, a lot of patience, so you will achieve it. So my contour, you guys know my nose contouring, it just so I contour my nose the way I like it, the way I love it, because my nose is just the okay, and yeah, all parts of my body I love it, but when I contour my nose, it gives me that face. Wow, Jesus, I love it so much. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using my setting powder, a little bit of my setting powder, like the pressed powder, to set it a little bit, then blend everything out. And yeah, we are almost done. Continue to blend. Okay, Hey guys, that is it, guys. We are done. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for having that patience to watch through the makeup, and I believe you learned one or two things from this makeup. Thank you so much. I appreciate your presence. We are done with the makeup. We are gonna slay. We are gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna snap beautiful picture with it. But I didn't dance that very day. I didn't dance. I only snap a beautiful picture. Bye guys. Bye. Love you.